Hi there, Brad Mayo, Tom Sparks Auto, DeKalb, Illinois. Hey, check this out. I got a 2024 GMC Terrain. Look at this, black in color, nice alloy wheels, chrome accents, roof rails, privacy glass around the back of it. You got backup camera, power lift gate, remote start, keyless entry. Great room back here. Those seats will fold down one at a time if you need more. Looks like it's got a set of floor mats to come with the vehicle. All-wheel drive, 4 cylinders. It's got a clean Carfax. It's all set up, ready to go. Factory warranty left on it. Buy it with confidence. Black leather, nice and clean. Got rear heat and air. USB plug-ins. Nice sleek dash line, kind of like a, I don't know, wood trim looking. AM, FM satellite, backup camera, Apple Play, Android Auto, of course media and all that good stuff. Dual automatic climate control, auto shift cup holders. You got heated seats, terrain select, radio and cruise control on the steering wheel, heated steering wheel, adaptable cruise control with collision alert, power windows, door locks and mirrors, memory seat, nice analog gauges, nice car. Missing something though, you know what that is? You need to get down here and buy this one. Hey, check out pictures at tomsparks.com. Don't forget to ask for Brad, and thanks for watching.